In the face of societal decadence, both in moral and intellectual aspects of human existence in Nigeria, parents have been urged to assume their pivotal role in the upbringing of their children today. This call was made by the presiding bishop of Prophetic Faith Church International, OMAGBA Phase 2, Onitsha, Prophet Dr. Solomon Ilouno, who stated that development of any child starts with the parents.
Is that parents have major role to play in rearing, not just upbringing, rearing children. Most children are damaged by their parents. Children learn at sight. Like the popular saying in Igbo adage, so the character, the good conduct that we are anticipating that our children will have must start from home. Child must see good conduct from his parents. A child that has a drunk as a father and has an immoral woman as a mother, what do you think will come of that child? He will grow to be an addict of alcohol, or maybe a runs girl as her mother or his mother. So the building up and development of child character starts from parents. In fact, some of them will always pack them and send to school. School do not develop children. School will only develop their intellect, their brain, but they will not develop them character-wise.
However, he lauded Governor of Anambra State, Governor Chukwumacha Soludo, on the free education in Anambra State, while emphasizing that the lack of education is aiding recruitment by terrorists in Nigeria.
Wonderful, wonderful. What Governor did is highly commendable. God bless him for doing so. Education is very, very important. One of the ways to eradicate social vices is through education, because an uneducated mind is crude and thinking, and it can become wicked, it can become disastrous. You see why it is easier for terrorists to recruit people up north is because of lack of education. It's easier for them to recruit. So education is one of the tools that will help to eradicate social vices among the children. So Governor did very well. God bless.
He tasked workers, civil servants, to look beyond their wage in the service they offer to humanity, as he urged the federal government to reduce the cost of governance in order to empower the workforce in Nigeria.
According to the economic situation in Nigeria, because of paucity of fund, I think our government may not have all it takes to fund some certain level of or category of salary, But I think that 100,000 naira will be for now. And if it's possible, robbing Peter to pay Paul is not good. Let them lessen the cost of governance so that they can have more money to pay workers. Because without workers, society is grounded. They are the people that carries the load. So, and they are hungry. So we are begging the labor union. I know 100,000 naira may not be anything, but if they consider the challenge that government is having, Jesus taught us as Christians to love our neighbor as love ourselves. For example, a teacher is teaching to receive salary, basically. But tertiary, because that's not primary. But if that teacher understands that teaching is a ministry, basically is teaching to develop somebody. Is teaching to develop a child, irrespective of the salary. So if workers will see that at every parasitas and department, that what they are doing is to make sure that our society do not collapse. So they will work with passion, irrespective of the pay.
He also pleaded with Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, about the spate of strike in Nigeria and its effect on the education system.
I don't know why they want to go on strike, but if it's a just cause, I believe there's a place for negotiation. I believe there's a place for round table talk, because these are incessant, this constant strike is affecting our educational system. It's not good at all. But they may have a very wonderful reason to do that. But I believe with negotiation, the matter can be.
From Prophetic Faith Church International, OMAGBA Phase 2, Onitsha, Martin Ifeanyi Ekezie reporting.